welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a room tour. I'm so excited for you guys to see this video. I feel like I finally got happy with how my room looks and how it is, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't seen my face before. I love you, bye! Okay, so this is what my room looks like when you first come into the door. So I have the light switch, and this little entryway bit. And then just behind my door I have this reusable bag that I got from H&M, which is really good for like shopping and things. Shut the door, and then I have this wiggly mirror. There's two of them and they're both from IKEA. I just put them next to each other to make one mirror. Then along this wall we have the wardrobes. Then you go over this way, and on this big back wall is the main part of my room, which is my bed. But first we'll start off in this corner over here. So I have two of these bedside tables, which again I've had as long as I can remember, and me and my mum I say me and my mum DIY'd them, painted them, and put these really cute like diamante kind of knobs on. So I have one of those and one of these lights on each side. Again, no idea where the lights are from. My mum got them for me years ago. So yeah, it's just my room. My room is very blue and white themed. All of my furniture in here is white with blue accents. So this bedside table, I just have my light, I have my iPad, I have a marble coaster, I have my Alexa, I have my Polaroid camera, a little candle, and then this plant. And then down here I have my scrapbook, a radiator, and my yoga mat. Then directly above this wall I have this pinboard kind of thing, which I got from IKEA, and it's just gold wire, like panel cubes, and then it comes with these little gold clips. And I've added some pictures onto there. I use wooden pegs, family, friends, dogs, quotes. And then I have this cute little print, which is from Coconut Lane. I do have a discount code, I'll leave it in the description box if you want to get some prints. And it says, what would Blair Waldorf do? Because she's my life inspiration. And you have the pièce de résistance, my bed. Now, my bed frame is from Feather & Black. I've had it since like 2012, 2013, so I don't know if they do the same thing. There might be something similar, but I love this bed so much. I still do. The cream is just really cute. The bedding, I'll talk about now. So this blanket I got from HomeSense. I do switch out my blankets depending on what bedding I have on, but I'm either using my white one from Primark. This one I got from HomeSense. I think it's by L Homewares. This bedding, again, switches out all the time. This one is from M&S. I love how it looks kind of like a hotel. Just white sheets. And then I have two bed pillows, and then these ones at the back are from IKEA. They're just big massive pillows because obviously this is not nice to lean up against, so you need a pillow. And then I have these two little throw pillows, which are from Primark, and then these two furry ones are from Primark as well. I love Primark's pillows, but I really do want to get some more. So let me know where you get your throw pillows from, because I love these. And directly above it, I have these two prints, which are from Desenio, and the frames I got from Dunelm Mill. So this print here is of the London Eye, with the blue sky, and then this one here is waves, like a pastel-y beach. I kind of wanted to, I was going to do two waves, like a waves and a quote, but I really wanted to incorporate the blue back into my room. I'm not going to lie, these were really ridiculously expensive, but I feel like prints are something that you always have, and I really love that. So now we move over here. So again, the same dresser. I forgot to say, there is not really that much stuff in there. The top drawer is just like PR and blogger mail. The other two drawers are junk, I'm not going to lie. Clutter. But yeah, same mirror, same dresser. But on my bedside table, this is like the side of the bed I sleep on, so this is the side that I actually use. That's just more for when people stay or whatever. So I have this candle, which is my favourite thing ever. It is the Pecksniff's Aromatherapy Deep Sleep. It's clay sage and lavender. It's gorgeous. I got that from HomeSense. Then I have this coaster, which again is from Coconut Lane with a memory card on it, because I do a lot of editing in bed. It says Girl Boss on it, and I love this. It's from Coconut Lane, again, link below. And then here I just have a nail oil and a body lotion. And then in this little IKEA flower pot I have some remotes, lighters, all that kind of fun stuff. In my drawers, the top drawer I have like bedside essentials, so like lip balms, tissues, hand creams, all that stuff. And then these drawers I have socks. So then on the floor here I have this rug, which is from Dunelm or IKEA, can't exactly remember. But I obviously have these hard floors in my room, so it's nice to get out of bed into a carpet. And then over here I have my Alex 9 drawers where I keep a whole bunch of stuff, and I'll talk you through that now. So on top of my drawers I have a candle that I've just lit, Sand and Fog Spa cucumber water. It makes my room smell like cucumbers and I love it. On top of it I have all of my fragrances, just kind of all clustered together. I have these fake flowers which are from IKEA in a little vase. I have a Gucci box, and I have this letterboard that says beauty is not how we look, it is how we act. I love that quote. So I'm going to quickly run through this. So in the top drawer I keep foundations, concealers, primers. By the way, all my plastic separators are from Muji. And in this one I keep blushes, bronzers, highlighters, powders and face palettes. In this one I keep mascaras, cream eyeshadows, eyeliners, brows, lashes, that kind of thing. In here I keep eyeshadow palettes. In here I keep lipsticks, lip balms, lip glosses, lip liners, all that fun stuff. In here I keep nails, which needs to be organised again, but nail polishes, fake nails, nail files, whatnot. In here is kind of like stuff for my room, so I've got some boxes from jewellery items, got some dusters, wipes, things from my light box and letterboard, and old magazines that I want to keep. And then in here I keep again more miscellaneous stuff, so overflow beauty items. And then here I keep all my phone cases and other miscellaneous tech bits. And at the bottom here I keep wash bags. Then we come over to this part of my room, which is my window. So I have these massive windows, which I love because it lights up the room so nice. So the curtains, I have one blue curtain and then like a clear, kind of like a voile. I love how princessy it looks. So they're both from John Lewis, if you're wondering, they did best curtains. I have this long windowsill, so on my windowsill I have these two little plants which are from Home Sense. They're just fake succulents in little marble pots, and I just love them. They're about £5 each. If you want some fake plants, go to Home Sense because they're so good there. I have this sign which I believe is from B&M Bargains. It says good vibes only, and I love how like tropically it is. It is meant to be like a one that you hang, but I just like how it's propped up. And then I have this little pot of cacti, which I got from IKEA. I love the pink pot, so I like to add touches of pink into my room. So I have these two little pots on either side, which are from Dunelm, and they're so cute, and they just keep bobby pins in and little hair ties when I have plaits in. And then in this corner here, I have my mirror for when I do my makeup, this little sign, two little Yankee candles, and then a plant that my mum grew for me. Come over to this side of the room, which is directly opposite the bed. So here is my dressing table slash desk now, because there is a room on the other side of this wall, which you guys may remember I used to have an office, but now I don't go to school and I don't need an office, so I kind of use this as my office as well. So the actual desk is a classic Beauty Guru desk from IKEA, and I love it. And I have the same little stool from IKEA, but I've just got a blanket over the top of it. Underneath I just have a bin and then a basket full of tech stuff and a wash bag for when I go away. On the actual desk I have my Apple Mac, which is a really old one and it's really slow, and I'm contemplating getting rid of it, but I really like it at the moment there. I have a cute little coaster which I believe is from B&M Bargains, just says O on it. Under my mouse I have this Coco Chanel book because I need a mouse man. I wanted one that looked cute. I have this little sign which says blog, Insta, coffee, repeat, which is from Coconut Lane as well. And the fairy lights are from B&M Bargains as well. I have this little thing which is from Home Sense, which is like a weekly planner, and I literally love this so much. It's really helped me get organised. Then I have this basket which came in a 2-pack from Primark. The other one is in my nail drawer, which has all my hair stuff in. It used to not be much, but I've got into like scrunchies and headbands, so it's kind of overflowing. But that is my hair box, if you would. Then I have some makeup brushes, so I have my face brushes, eye brushes, sponges, and like scissors and pens and stuff in that one there, and they're all in little pots from IKEA. I have this mirror which is from Amazon, I believe, and it lights up, so it's really good when I get in late from work and I want to sit down and take my makeup off. So ignore how messy this drawer is because I'm just a mess. This holds a lot of stuff. So in here is my daily makeup. I have some more pens and like random bits, some sprays, sunglasses, stuff I need to put in a scrapbook. Just a state. Let's just shut this before you see any more of my mess. Then onto this dresser, which has all of my clothes in. I have no idea where it's from because I've had it since I was a baby, but it's just this white dresser with 4 drawers. So on the top of it, oh wait, I forgot. These prints that I have above my computer I got from HomeSense. So I have this quote, which is Khloe Kardashian, which says, "Beauty is not how we look, it's how we act." And then I have this one that says coffee and mascara. You can see it like that way. And I just thought they looked really cute above the desk. And then over here I have my TV, which is right above, so I can see it from my bed. My dad put this trunking on as well, which I love because it doesn't make the wires look horrible, it just looks cute. Then I have my dresser. So on top of here, I'll start from over here, I have this reed diffuser, which is Nordic Shores from Dunelm, and it smells incredible. Everyone needs to get it. I have this framed little Polaroid of me and my best friend, and I just thought it was really cute. I have my Apple TV box, my jewellery box, I have some books, I have my light box, which just says Olivia Grace on it. Then I have my jewellery necklace hanger, I have a little sparkling champagne candle, which is from HomeSense. I have this little trinket dish, which just has an O on it, but it's just full of jewellery. And then I have another little cactus, which is from IKEA. In these drawers, I'm not going to open them because they're an absolute state. And I'm going to do a video where I'm decluttering, so look out for that. I have jeans, like pants, bras. Then that one I have pyjamas. And then the bottom one I have like skirts and leggings. That's that whole area. And then down here I just have my laundry basket and my gym bag. The laundry basket is from HomeSense and the gym bag is just a Nike one from Sports Direct. But yeah, that is my completed bedroom.